Okay, so what I want to talk to you about today is how to figure out the cost of what you're printing. Everything, of course, has a cost associated to it. And with this one, we have a cost definitely to the environment. We are printing something with plastic, but the plastic that we use is biodegradable. So once this goes into a landfill, after a few years, it'll break down. So that's the good news. So we only use biodegradable filament for plastic in our 3D printer. So that's really good. Okay, so the cost, what you need to figure out. So the cost, and I'll put on the screen, is 0.217 dirhams per gram. Okay, 0.217 dirhams per gram. So if we take something like this desk caddy, and we can see here that it says this is going to use about 80 grams of filament. So if I take that on my calculator, go to calculator here, and say 80 grams times 0.217 dirhams equals 17.36 dirhams to print this desk caddy. That's what it is. So when you're looking at things, you're going, wait, am I spending 20 dirhams on printing something that costs 6 dirhams at the store? So there is something there that you got to consider. Everything has a cost, so make sure to figure out the cost of what you're printing. Most things will tell you, and there is a screen on the 3D printer that also tells you how much filament you've used in grams as well. So just an interesting little side note to how much your 3D printing objects cost.